माननीय रामचंद्र राव, श्रीमती झरना दास वैद्या जी, श्रीमती झरना दास वैद्या।
Thank you, sir. The Insurance Amendment Bill 2021, first I oppose the bill from my party. Sir, India's life insurance sector was nationalized in 1956 after a series of failures and scandals in the private insurance companies. We are going back to those days. The risks of the entry of profit-seeking foreign companies investing in high-risk ventures of jeopardizing of the savings and interests of the people is real. Sir, it is estimated that nearly 40 crore Indians are insured both through the individual assurance and group insurance. It is estimated that the insurable population, person who can be insured, in India is around 60 crore. Therefore, the numbers of persons covered are significant. This number can increase depending upon the rising level of income and savings insurance, especially life insurance. Small savings of the people and convert them into capital for long-term investments of social and infrastructure projects. Sir, we are of the opinion from our party can move an amendment to subclause B in clause 7A of section 2, and the proposed amendment could be B in which the aggregate holdings of equity shares by foreign investors, including portfolio investors, do not exceed 50% of the paid up equity capital of the such Indian insurance company, and the foreign investors in which shall be subject to such condition and manner, and as be prescribed, and further that the management and control of the companies should remain with the Indian promoters, notwithstanding and the like hike in FDI. I ask the government to reconsider and rethink the bill. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shri Manoj Kumar Jha.